HSE Pathshala presents How to Extinguish Battery Fires. It's important to always be prepared for that. Let's discuss how lithium-ion battery fires start, which fire extinguisher to use, strategy of firefighting, and useful lithium-ion battery safety tips to ensure your employees are prepared. A lithium-ion battery fire can happen in electric car batteries, smartphones, laptops, solar panel batteries, remote control cars, and toy. The rechargeable batteries pose a dangerous new threat to firefighters. They burn hotter and longer, and many fire departments may be unprepared to tackle them. Why do lithium-ion batteries catch fire? Lithium-ion battery packs are made up of a group of cells inside a battery compartment and contain a flammable liquid electrolyte. The more electricity needed, the higher the number of cells in electric vehicles, for example, have about 1,000 times more cells than an e-bike. With an increased number of cells and higher energy batteries comes a greater risk during failure. The basic reason for lithium-ion battery failure is cell failure. It's usually the result of mechanical, electrical, and thermal impact. Mechanical reason could be car crash, getting mobile phone crushed between two objects, battery puncture, or a similar stress event. Electrical faults could be due overcharging or over-discharging. But the heat caused by charging is also one of the main design constraints battery engineers deal with today. And the faster one tries to charge a battery, the more heat there is produced. Whereas overheating due to environment can lead to thermal impact. This impact leads to chain reaction called thermal runaway, causing smoke, fire, and explosion. The decomposition reactions are the exothermic, heat-releasing reactions that drive thermal runaway. And in the presence of excessive heat, the decomposition of the anode and cathode can become self-sustaining, meaning the heat produced by the reaction is sufficient to sustain the reaction itself. How to extinguish a lithium-ion battery fire? We must know the type of fire class before choosing the right type of extinguisher. Despite their name, lithium-ion batteries used in consumer products do not contain any lithium metal. No cooking oil involved, so no K-type fire. A Class D fire extinguisher is not to be used to fight a lithium-ion battery fire. Since lithium-ion batteries aren't made with metallic lithium, a Class D dry powder extinguisher would not be effective. A and C class are also not possible. Lithium-ion batteries are considered a Class B fire, so a standard ABC or dry chemical fire extinguisher should be used. Class B is the classification given to flammable liquids. Lithium-ion batteries contain liquid electrolytes that provide a conductive pathway, so the batteries receive a Class B fire classification. Strategy of firefighting. If your portable device such as laptop, mobile, or toys catch fire, then lithium safety bag are quite helpful. They consist of high-temperature insulation and fire-resisting materials that are able to withstand the explosive release of energy and cell combustion as a result of a lithium-ion thermal runaway. If you are fighting the electrical vehicle fire, do remember the location of batteries is at the bottom of car. You have to do fire fighting from distance as there is possibility of explosion. Another danger to first responders comes when thermal runaway doesn't result in fire but instead causes a phenomenon known as off-gassing. As firefighters have discovered in recent years, lithium-ion battery fires are prone to reigniting. That's because the lithium salts in the battery are self-oxidizing, which means that they can't be starved out like a traditional fire. So how do you put it out? Because the lithium has an ignition point of 500 degrees Celsius, the battery has to be cooled to a sub-ignition temperature. That's why it took the firefighters in Texas 30,000 gallons of water and 4 hours to extinguish the blaze. After the accident or impact, battery fire can occur anytime within 30 minutes. And once fire occurs, you have little time to respond. Lithium-ion battery safety tips for employees. Workplace injuries from lithium-ion batteries are preventable with continual employee education. Here are some lithium-ion battery safety tips to help businesses and their employees prevent workplace fires and injuries. Only use the charging cord that came with the device. Keep batteries in their original packaging. Keep batteries at room temperature. Avoid placing batteries in direct sunlight or in hot vehicles. Store batteries in dry areas with adequate ventilation. Store devices and batteries in a fire-resistant container. Remove batteries from their charger when fully charged. Do not charge a device under pillows or on a couch. Inspect for damage and batteries before use. Immediately remove a device if a battery feels hot or shows damage. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe HSE Pathshala for more such informative videos.